In this video, I'll talk about what makes the Phase 1 lenses special. Most consumer camera lenses, they are designed to be multi-purpose and useful for a long range of applications. In Phase 1, we create our lenses with designs optimized for each application. Optical design is fundamentally about priorities. It's important to understand very clearly what aspects of the lens is most critical for a given application. Unfortunately, it's simply not possible to make a lens that is good at everything. A typical lens consists of multiple elements that can all influence the image quality. There are the glass elements themselves, a shutter and aperture module, mechanical components holding it all together, and potentially additional pieces for focusing or stabilization. A good lens can be defined by many properties: corner-to-corner sharpness, geometric accuracy and stability, very large aperture, fast autofocus, optical stability, size and weight, and many other aspects. But no lens can have it all. So designing the best lens for a specific application is all about picking the right top priorities for that application. For mapping and surveying applications, we design lenses optimized for corner-to-corner sharpness and absolute geometric stability. Because these lenses, they need to reproduce all the minute details on the ground, and they need to be stable so they can be accurately geometrically calibrated. If such a lens was also designed to have, for example, zoom or autofocus, that would introduce a conflict with our top priority of corner-to-corner sharpness. And it would contain internal moving parts that would make it impossible to accurately calibrate it. For UAV-based inspection applications, we design lenses that again has to be sharp from corner to corner to show all the minute defects in the assets. But they also have to be light enough to be carried by the UAV. So we design these lenses for the sharpness and the size and weight. We don't design these lenses with zoom, because that would add significant additional size and weight and negatively affect the corner-to-corner sharpness. So in Phase 1, to achieve the highest possible performance, we design each lens for its specific task, not to be a multi-tool.